Faster. Okay, go back to the regular jog. Bump, 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 so she doesn't walk. Pick her face a little bit. There you go. Okay, let's not make this too long so we can send it to somebody. Okay, now go ahead and outside leg. And sit and stop. Back it up. Left turn on the haunches. Little bumps. Yep. Trot. Faster. Okay, regular jog. Little bumps with your legs so she keeps going. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's definitely not as smooth as I thought, but
Okay, now outside leg, try it this way. I don't think she'll go for you, but you can try it. Yes, good job. Squeeze. Nice, back it up. Squeeze only. Okay, now turn towards me. Yeah, and walk right towards me. And stop, squeeze. Thumbs up.